Okay, so I just got this video uploaded this morning from what I took last night on this fire kit here, and I went over pretty much everything in it that you see here. I've got a couple things moved around. I was not expecting my last 3 items to show up for another probably 2 weeks. However, after heading out and having a little fun this morning, and then grabbing a burger and some beer, coming home, all 3 items plus a couple extras just showed up. So, we're going all the time with worrying about how quick and how slow shipping is, and how weird things are. This was a nice, pleasant surprise. So let me quickly show what I'm adding to this kit, and I'll just do an addendum to what I did yesterday. So here's the first item, and it actually came as a set of 2, but these are the fatwood sticks, the fatwood rope sticks, and I'm not going to dig into them. I mean, there are plenty of reviews on showing these things. Now, the ones I got came as a set of 2, so one is going in my spare pile. The other is going right here, which is where it was meant to go, actually, to begin with. So, my fat rope stick right here, and like I said, this thing I was excited about because there's not a whole lot of tinder in this case. There's really just 2 pieces. There's the impregnated cotton here, and I had the fatwood right here. Now I'm adding this fat rope stick. Actually, there were 3. I got up the Pathfinder in there. And the second is the fire tape. This thing, you just pull it out, use what you need, and while the whole roll is not going in this kit. The roll I'm going to cut into 2-inch strips. Saw one guy do this. I think it was Drop Forge Survival, or one of the guys where I first saw this. He cut it up into 2-inch sticks, put it in a Ziploc bag, and then that's going to go in the pocket back here. But that's a project for later. I could probably, just in here, I can probably get, maybe 100 little 2-inch bits. It's just a matter of getting some scissors and cutting. But that's going to be added to the kit. And then the third piece, and this was something kind of cool that I found. It's from, I don't know if they're Swedish or Norse or what, but Uberleben is the name. They make some really good fire steels and strikers out there. And this is just some waxed jute twine with a steel piece right here to hold, and it's literally just to sit and glow. So you just light it up. First time's going to take a while. You just light it up, let it get a nice little glow spot on it. It's going to take a little longer, first light, but you just let it. It's kind of like a candle or a wick, and it's pretty much it. And what that's going to do is just kind of allow to, add to things. Just start a fire from a distance type of thing. You just pull that up, it goes right out. But that was the final little bit I wanted to add. And this was, is it needed? Absolutely not, but I think it's pretty damn cool. So these are the last 3 pieces I'm adding. This little wick right here, the fire strip roll, and the fat rope. So that's it. I'm not going to waste any more time, and you guys have a good day, and we'll talk at you later. Oh, also, by the way, I still have yet to swap out the pull ties here, but that is on my list. It's just not top of my list right now. But we'll talk at you later. Have a good one.